Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap McFarland local and long-distance movers near me. Our expert movers know how to ensure that your long-distance move will not include all the stress. When you want to move 100 miles away or even 1,500 miles away, our team can help. With us, you get all of the best moving services to make moving a lot easier. Hiring us means you get access to all the common long-distance moving services and all of the following: packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. Choosing to work with a local California moving company may not seem like it's worth the price. However, following a close look at the key advantages of working with a local moving company, you will likely find that it's well worth it. You gain the benefit of conserving time on your local move, which can be well worth it. It will also keep you from having to handle heavy lifting. With our experienced movers, you receive a very effective move from start to finish. You don't have to worry about spending several days managing your move when you select 3 movers to help. We can complete even the largest moves in only a couple of hours. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our McFarland moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.